Hello, how are you today? Today I like to talk about employee status. So whether the service provider is employee or freelancer, that issue is becoming very important. If the service provider is employee, company have to be responsible for all duties as an employer, and also employee must pay severance pay or social security insurance premiums or other responsibility as an employer. So usually some employees perspective, they to save labor cost, they want to hire them as a not like a service provider rather than a worker. So service provider means like there are certain jobs like the truck driver or after service technician, also freelancer or some part-time teachers, also some like call center workers, also delivery men. Those people are regarded as the contractor or service provider. So individual like employer, so they are not eligible for protection by the labor law. So it is hard to judge, even though in the beginning they are freelancer, but after employer control them, then their status become employee, because the employer control their work relation. So how to judge them according to the labor law is definition of employee. Employee is the person who provide the labor service under employee's supervision and control in order to make money. So this is the definition of employee. So it includes 3 parts. So employee provide labor service under employee's provision and control. Also employee to provide the labor service to earn money. So and third one is employee provide the labor service rather than on the employee's workplace or on the employee's business. So those relations are very hard to judge. So court ruled that in 2006 they ruled regarding some 학원 teacher, like teachers, whether they are employee or freelance. So in their judgment, it say that the name of a contract is not important. Actual service relation, that's important. So in such a part, they can be 2 parts, like human supervision relation, also economic supervision relations. So those parts are considered whether they are employee or not. So human subordinate relation, that is like employee provide labor service within the fixed time, also on the employees like supervision and control. Also their workplace is restricted. Also they are working exclusively for particular employer. Then it is related to human subordinate relation. Also regarding the economic subordinate relation is whether they earn the wage, they earn fixed wage, or they earn some bonus based on their performance. So those people who earn the money based on performance is much like employer or freelancer. But if employee earn the money as a fixed income, fixed money, then it is more like employee. So when the judge, when the court deal with the employee status, they focus on actual relation in employment, also human subordinate relation, also economic subordinate relations. Okay, further information you can find the article I'm going to attach here. Okay, thank you for your watching. Okay, bye bye.